evening, everyone. So, it is Friday again. Guys have been taking care of a bunch of small projects. Didn't need me for 2 days, which is great. So I was able to be in the office and do some paperwork and get stuff going. So, we are in Massapequa. We've got 3 days to do rip out an existing waterfall in a pool and build a new, bigger one and a better one, to do some landscaping around it and landscape lighting around it, as well as some landscape lighting in the yard. So I am excited. I'm excited for 2 reasons. First, it's Friday. Second, I got new straps. I'll show you the strap that we should have gotten rid of way long time ago. But I really love this strap. And it sounds really weird, but let's go take a look at it. All right, so this is the house route. Actually, if you can hear that sound in the background, they're right on the Seaford Oyster Bay, which they have a good buffer, so you can't see anything. But it's the one main thoroughfare that goes north to south that commercial vehicles can be on, so it's always noisy. So, got this pool, they love it. The masonry we're gonna have done later in the summer. They were doing it all, and the first part's gonna be done is the waterfall. So they don't use it, haven't used it in forever, because they don't like the way it looks. B, it has a lot of debris it's pulling in, and so if you look, it's got like spots there and a spot there that the dirt and the material that are around it are coming in because they didn't really do a good job with the liner. Plus, it's kind of ugly. Okay, I'll be being nice. So we're gonna rip it all out. We're gonna take the plans, put it to the side, put them over there, and then come in and snap my fingers, and maybe they'll be nice on the editing end, and you'll see a picture of it finished now, and it'll disappear. And we're gonna build something new. So that's our plan. Hey, John.
Hey.
Did they fill up underneath the waterfall with bricks?
Yeah.
Bricks. Okay. Alright, so it's the end of day one, and we got all the existing stuff out. We've got the liner underlayment sandwich all in. We've got our 2 boulders on the edges that are bringing our grade up with our spill rock, which here we're going to use a big dive stone so they can jump off of it, which we've got it counter sunk back here, that one of the guys checked that they were able to stand on it without any issue. And then we're going to frame on boulders on the front end, build this as a stream that meanders back up into there, and get this built on Monday. Yep. You know, it's summer when we're building a waterfall and we get to go in a pool. We're finishing up. And Dan's up there working on finishing edge and trim and getting lights in. I'm down in here getting all of our undersides of everything rocked in and moving along. So I'm giving an hour and we should be done. Yeah. All right, everyone, so it's an end of day 3. We are wrapped here. I am dirty, I am sweaty, and I have crazy hair because I was in the pool fixing the edges. So, I am really messy. This is what a medium waterfall pondless looks like. I got stuff in my hair. I'm a mess today. Looks like. So, wrapping up. We've got, I'm gonna say 5 to 6 tons of boulders here. Got a big spill rock there. Doesn't have as much flow as I would love, but that's just because it's the pump they have. They need a bigger pump. But it's got a great effect. Meanders back and forth. The kids can climb on it and jump on. Let's go take a look.